Signia Streamline TV, model TV03. What a great device for hearing impaired people using hearing aids to remotely hear your TV instead of having a long cord and earphones. It really works well. It's a very complete kit, beautifully packaged, as you can see, typical of Signia. And so inside you're going to find the manual. It's a very complete manual. And inside there's a number of boxes. The main box holds the control unit that you plug into the TV for your Wi-Fi hookup. And then you have your 1 and 2 boxes, which your power supply and your hookup cables, etc. All kinds of stuff inside. And the third box has some more junctions and cable boxes. So this is a great device. If you're use hearing aids. I highly recommend it. It works great. It's a Bluetooth device, my device.